Is the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max compatible with wireless charging? And if it is, how do you set it up properly? Let's check it out. The answer might surprise you. So first you will happy to know that there are no extra settings to turn on your wireless charging on the iPhone 11, 11 Pro or Pro Max. So now to set it up for the wireless charging, you have to simply place your iPhone in the center of the wireless charger or MagSafe charger. And here you have to make sure it's properly aligned with the charging pad. Then wait a few seconds. Sometimes it takes a moment for the charging indicator to appear. So if you're using a wireless charging power bank or a portable wireless charger, make sure it's turned on and has enough battery power. Otherwise, your iPhone won't detect it and you won't see charging indicator. In my case, the charging indicator appeared after about 2 minutes, which is a bit longer than usual. So once the charging icon appears on the screen, your iPhone is charging wirelessly. So if you're experiencing the same thing, make sure you place your device on a stable, flat surface. So that can actually help maintain a proper connection, otherwise it may disconnect and reconnect repeatedly. So keep it in a secure and stable position, then give it a couple of minutes to see if the charging indicator appears. And I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for your time.